Yo guys, here's the trade recap video for July 15th and July 14th. So let's start with July 14th, the trade I took yesterday. So this is the trade on GG that I took. Pretty simple. We tapped into the London high, got a rejection out, a strong rejection out. I put my stop above the sweep. It was basically a tap in. I'll just call it a sweep. And I targeted London low, and we didn't actually take profit, but we got a reaction off, so I just closed up the trade early because that was the reaction that we got off of it. But one thing I could have done better is put my stop right at the high instead of just putting it right there. So yeah. And then the trade I took on Euro USD was So we tapped into the low, got a strong reaction out, but it just hit stop loss. That was the one for Tuesday. And for today's trade recap, I didn't trade on Euro USD because news kind of took out my setup. But GJ, I took 2 losses. Both of them were, so the first one I took was right here, because we pushed past the high and tapped back into it, and then got a strong reaction out, so I entered. But that was not smart because we barely pushed out of it right here. It would have been smart if we got a 30-minute close, but we didn't. So that could have been, this could have been preventable or prevented. And this one, we had a 5-minute break of structure to the downside, so I just entered short. Guys, it was a strong move. I thought we were gonna sweep it. It would have been a lot better to wait for the break of structure, so right there. Then wait for equilibrium to get hit, and then a 1-minute break of structure, which we did hit equilibrium, but it's not a strong pull in equilibrium. Because you can tell if it's you can tell if it's not a strong pull in equilibrium because the high and the low are made with the same candle. So if it does that, that's not a strong draw for equilibrium. So yeah, today's trades both probably would have been preventable, but there's lessons from the market, and we got to learn from those lessons and not do them again. So yeah.